Hi, Serjey. This is Mrs. Trailer. I am just making you a video to show you how to get to our class meetings. So first you're going to log into Seesaw. So once you get to the website, app.seesaw.me, you're going to click on I'm a student. Then you're going to go down to where it says text code, and you're going to put in your code, which is on the paper that you guys got from the office on Friday. Once you put in the code, you're going to press the green go. And then here you are in your Seesaw account. Every day there is a schedule. Here is today's schedule, Monday, October 12th. Tomorrow's schedule looks like this. So once you're in the schedule, you come and you click on the link here for the class meeting that you are going to attend. The first one we have is at 9 o'clock a.m. So you'll click here to join the class meeting. Then the next live class meeting we have is at 11 o'clock. So you would click here to come to that meeting. After that, you've got PE at 1 o'clock and another class meeting with me at 1:30. I will explain the schedule a little bit more during our 9 o'clock meeting, but these are activities for you to do in Seesaw. You just click on the links to do them. This is an activity called Imagine Learning, and I will go over it again tomorrow. All right, I hope to see you at 9 o'clock in the morning. Can't wait to meet you. Bye.